Welcome, students of Form 4. This is my third or even my fourth video, I don't know anymore, and it's about the goals for the test, anti-slavery movements, and emancipation in France. And we're going to do the explaining and describing in-depth questions, because these are the most difficult ones. I want to help you towards that academic level of answering those questions. The question of today is describe Victor Schulz's meaning for the abolition movement in France by using the words pamphlets and legislature fittingly. Two words we used before, and now you gotta use them properly within answering this goal. Well, Victor Schulze, meaning for the abolition movement in France is that he was the main personality in this movement. So Victor Schulz's meaning, difficult name that guy has, for the abolition movement in France is that he was the main character, the main personality within this movement. He was a prolific writer of pamphlets and had traveled through large parts of the Caribbean. This is him. Well, what does a prolific writer mean? That he wrote a lot and he was good at writing. Yeah. And people don't read a lot anymore, so this is a different era. We watch videos like these, or we go to the movies, or play a video game. But writing, if you were a good writer, you could captivate people, you could motivate people, you could inspire people. And in France, Victor Schulzger was one of those people. Yeah, he still has a difficult name. So he was a prolific writer. That means he could write very well, he could inspire people, and he wrote a lot. He was a prolific writer of pamphlets and had traveled through large parts of the Caribbean. In 1847, he presented French legislature with 16 points against slavery. Remember, legislature is parliament, where often republics and democracies the laws are made. So legislature is the place where the laws are made within a democracy. And in 1847, he presented the French legislature with 16 points against slavery. And 1 year later, in 1848, he was a driving force in getting slavery abolished. Yeah. So you see the word pamphlet, you see the word legislature, and I've put them together. I've started the answer with coming back to the question. Yeah. And also the words pamphlets and legislature are also here. So, and again, the guy with the difficult name, Victor Schulzger. Keeps getting more difficult, it looks like. Okay, I hope you found this helpful. Yeah. And yeah, I put it in my own words, but the most important thing is that you use the two words pamphlets and legislature, and together you connect that in a description. And a description is never less than two full sentences. And a full sentence isn't 5 words or really an expanded sentence. And you really got to put your 100% for that.